The Honorable, all rise. The Honorable Judge.
All rise. Stand up.
Thanks all for reality. Nice to see you guys. I'm here today.
Only because you asked me to, Your Honor. You're lucky that I was as well.
Later will be improvements. Try it.
Duly noted, Your Honor.
Alright, let's get started. Please be seated.
Everyone be seated.
We are here today to hear the case of malpractice versus Benjamin Sparks. The plaintiff adjusts negligence resulting in a second-degree burn. Plaintiff seeks compensation of $50,000. Counsel for the plaintiff, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel for the defense, are you ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, loud.
Bailiff, please swear in the jury.
Jury, ready to be sworn in? Everyone stand up.
Everybody stand up. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
You swear to tell the truth, jury?
Yes.
And vote accordingly?
Yes.
Yes. Sit down.
We will now begin with opening statements. Counsel for the plaintiff, you may proceed.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we present the story of malpractice, a young, dedicated chemist who suffered a severe injury while working under the guidance of Benjamin Smarts. We will show that Mr. Smarts failed in his duty of care, resulting in this injury. The plaintiff deserves compensation for her medical bills and emotional distress.
Thank you, defense. Your opening statement.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, the evidence will show that Mr. Smarts acted with the utmost professionalism. This practice willingly participated in a risky experiment, signed a liability waiver, acknowledging those risks. The will prove that Mr. Smarts is not responsible for her injury.
Plaintiff, you may call your first witness.
We call malpractice to the stand. Miss Practice, can you describe the events leading up to your injury?
Oh, sure. So, I was super excited to do this experiment because science is totally fascinating, right? And Mr. Smarts was all like, mix this and that. And I did. But he didn't say anything about gloves or anything. And then it all got, boom. And ouch, my hand was like on fire. Not literally, but you get it, right?
How has an injury affected your life?
Oh my gosh. I turned a total bummer. I had to pay for doctors and stuff. And I was scared of doing chemistry again. And honestly, my Instagram has not been the same since I can't do full science posts anymore.
Defense, you may cross-examine.
Miss Practice, isn't it true you signed a liability waiver?
Yeah, but I thought it was just one of those boring forms, when you sign up for a free trial and never read the fine print.
Were there warning signs about lab safety?
Oh yeah, there were signs. I didn't think they were, important. Benjamin Sparks insisted that I had nothing to worry about.
Plaintiff, your next witness. Before Byron Standard to the stand.
Mr. Strander, what did you witness?
Dude, it was wild. So then Mr. Smart was showing now how to fix this crazy stuff, right? And I'm thinking, whoa, this is gonna be gnarly. Then bam, the thing just freaked out. Poor Mal was like, ouch, ouch. Nah, man, he was super into the whole science vibe, he's brilliant and all, but sometimes he's in his own world.
Defense, cross-examination.
participants are briefed on safety?
Oh, for sure, Dylan. I don't think anyone really listens, you know?
Defense, you may call your first witness.
We call Benjamin Smart to the stand.
Yes, I do.
Mr. Smart, what precautions did you take during the experiment?
I meticulously followed standard protocol. The safety briefing was comprehensive, and all necessary protective equipment, including gloves, was readily available. Mispractice was explicitly advised to exercise caution.
Plaintiff cross-examination.
Mr. Smart, do you explicitly tell Miss Practice to wear gloves?
I cannot recall stating it verbatim. It is an implicit expectation in such experiments. The protocol is clear to anyone with basic chemical training.
Defense, your next witness.
We call Pharaoh to the stand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I do.
Miss Files, can you confirm Miss Practice signed a liability waiver?
Of course she did. I personally handed her the document. It's not my fault if young people today don't bother to read what they sign.
Miss Files, was the waiver explained to Miss Practice?
I don't have time to coddle everyone who walks through the door. If they can't be bothered to read, that's hardly my problem.
We will now hear closing statements. Plaintiff.
The evidence shows Mr. Smart failed to ensure Miss Practice's safety. Her injury was preventable. She deserves justice.
Defense.
The evidence proves that Miss Practice assumed the risks of the experiment and signed a waiver. Mr. Smart is not liable for her injury.
Thank you. The jury will now deliberate.
Try to get everyone in. Yep, there you go. Tell the judge, that's fine.
The jury decides that Benjamin Sparks is not at fault and isn't liable for malpractices injuries. Court adjourned.
Front, hold hands, take a bow. Come on. Come to the front, hold hands, take a bow. Round of applause. Yep, you can scroll back. Good job. Nice. Nice round of That's okay. That's okay. Good job, everyone. Okay.